Is sponsored in part by Bob's Discount Furniture. Oh, my Bob.
Well, thank you for bringing me to this gorgeous closet of yours.
I wish it was. I don't have my closet's not nearly this big.
Where are the skinny hangers? I don't see skinny hangers.
What?
I just want to start this next segment by saying For the Crimson. Our next guest is a Harvard grad and former beauty editor turned popular TikToker. She's nodding in agreement.
Yes.
Each day she helps millions of followers organize their homes and use everyday items to simplify their lives. Hear, hear.
And there she is. She's here today to show us some great home organizational hacks. Please welcome Caroline Sullivan. Thank you for being here.
Thank you guys for having me. I'm so excited. These are very, very simple tips that anyone can do at home. Either you have the products or you don't. It's just a matter of teaching yourself, and I'm happy to teach you guys.
Okay, it sounds promising.
Well, this does it.
Why, in your opinion, is it so important to be organized?
I truly believe that when you have a clean and clear and tidy home, you have a clean and clear, tidy home.
I feel like
do you guys agree?
Here. Yes.
Agree 100%.
Okay.
We're trying to learn that for ourselves, but we're being told.
Can we, let's dive in.
Sure. Okay.
We're gonna start with a very simple hack. Starts with a drawer organizer.
Thank
I like
you.
that.
I need this.
Is there nothing worse than like opening your drawer, socks everywhere, underwear everywhere?
Let me tell you something. This weekend I attempted to take out the winter clothes, put them away, bring in the summer clothes. I opened up my top drawer, I looked, I closed it, I turned around and I poured myself a glass of wine.
This is not healthy for my mentals.
So let me just show you. If you have a drawer organizer, these are super easy to find. You can literally get them on Amazon for like $3.
How many compartments are there?
I think there are 8 compartments.
Beautiful.
You can put your socks in here. You can ball them up.
Now, what's the appropriate way to fold a sock?
She's going to show us.
Okay, I'm going to show you. This is a very straightforward way. You're going to do your, line them up like this.
Yep.
Fold them into thirds.
Is this a trifold?
Bam, bam, and then
what just
wham,
happened?
bam, thank you, ma'am. Okay, so we're going to pop them into the compartment like that.
Okay. She's got socks and then unmentionables on the other side.
Unmentionables. We don't have to get fancy with the underwear. We don't have to do like little pocket origami folds. All we have to do is just pop them in the container.
And that's it.
And we have little discreet packets, so then when we need to like open the drawer, bam.
I love that you're throwing your underwear around on television.
Thank
you for this.
Now this one is close to Alex's.
These are the bane of my existence.
Okay.
Tupperware.
Explain why.
I have mismatched.
Yes.
I don't know this. It fits, okay. I don't know if it actually was the original mate, but
yes. And I feel like this is such a straightforward secret that no one is sharing. All you have to do, instead of like getting fancy like gadgets or organizers for the lids, literally just keep the lids on the container.
Keep the lids on the container,
just keep
Alex.
The lids
keep the lids
on the container. Keep the lids on the container, and then you can store them on your, in the shelf, in the cabinet.
But Caroline, I don't have a lot of space.
Okay,
all my Tupperware is in one drawer.
Same.
It's in one drawer.
Yes.
Then to that I say, less is more. I think
get rid of some of them.
Get rid of some of the lids.
You don't need all of that.
Declutter the lids. You will be shocked at how few containers you need if they're good quality. Like, I mean, this glass.
That's there lies the issue for me personally. You have good Tupperware. You bring me fruit and good Tupperware.
Lasts forever. This lasts forever. The plastic, you get like the
and you don't get the linger. I was going to say your Sunday sauce doesn't linger for years to come.
You just pop it in the dishwasher.
And that's it.
Thank you.
And that's it.
Easy.
Okay, she convinced me.
Can we tackle the spice rack, please?
Okay, let's talk about the spice rack. Are we gonna? Do we want to skip the file folding for a second?
Oh gosh, no. File folding.
This is critical. This is critical because we all have T-shirts, we all have shirts, we all have the pile of shirts. And sometimes what happens when we have the pile of shirts, we get lazy. We forget about what's underneath the bottom shirt, and we're like, I don't even want to go there. I don't even know. So we just end up wearing the top shirt.
Yeah.
However, let's take our shirt, let's fold it in half, let's put it in our drawer like this, and then we
it's a file.
Like a file. And then we have visibility.
You see everything.
You can see everything at once, and it maximizes space.
Let me try.
You also have some nice,
Here we go. Ready?
nice T-shirts.
Boom.
Thank you. Boom.
in there.
Now I see everything that I have.
You see everything
I
that
do
you
have
have.
something to wear, in fact.
Yeah.
And then if you color coordinate it, it makes it even nicer.
Let's not get ridiculous.
Right?
Okay. I like that for my children.
You don't even need to buy like a specific gadget. You just we learn how to do it in the drawer.
Done.
Easy.
Okay. Now let's tackle the spice rack.
Okay, now let's talk about the spice rack. So we've got spices, we've got shelves, we've got cabinets. No one wants to reach for the back.
Yeah, no.
I know.
So let's talk about the Lazy Susan.
Oh.
Here, you go over there.
There she
Okay.
is.
There she is.
Spin that Susan.
She's
Spin
not
the
so
Suze.
lazy, actually.
She's not so lazy. She's a hardworking Suze. So we're gonna take our little spices and put them on top of the Lazy Susan. And instead of reaching and fumbling for the, spice,
Give it a little
just gonna do it.
merry-go-round situation.
just give it a whirl.
Give it a whirl.
And that's it.
I need the
Bam.
cinnamon.
I'm going to tell you something right now.
Boom.
I feel very accomplished because this is how I do my spices.
Oh, do you have a spice? You've got
I do a Lazy
Susan?
and I
Good.
alphabetize my spices because I am
A Virgo.
You're a Virgo. So you don't even need any of this
I do.
instruction.
Hello,
You know what she
we
needs help
discussed
with, though?
this.
She needs help with this last part.
I've never
The iron?
ironed a day in my life.
Shockingly, Marisol brought this ironing board from home, but she's never used it.
This is I honestly, I want this ironing board.
You can
because
have it.
You know what? You can have it. It's collecting dust in my
I
home.
can't stand how big and bulky they are.
This
and
is-
so this
yeah.
seems to
There you go. I
look like
probably
it will
got
do
it
the
at
job.
Amazon.
Why
Now,
is
what
there
are you doing?
tinfoil
So
involved?
I've got a secret ingredient here.
Okay.
It's now not so secret. Tin foil.
Okay.
Tin foil. We're gonna put tin foil. Actually, with this one, it's pretty snug, but you're gonna put tin foil underneath the ironing fabric.
Okay.
And what's gonna happen when you iron your garment, your dress, your napkin? Are we ironing napkins anymore? Are we
Yeah,
doing
some
this
people
today? Some people do that. What happens is the heat from the tin foil reflects off of the heat from the iron. And what happens is that you end up ironing both sides at once.
Oh my goodness.
Can you believe that?
This is revolutionary.
Can you believe that? So it will cut down ironing time because do you like to iron?
I don't iron, but my
love to
boyfriend who's
iron.
watching at home, look, babe, there you go. Next
Look
time
at
I
that.
ask you to iron, here's what you got to do. Thank
And
you.
that's all there is to it.
Oh my goodness, Caroline, thank you for all
Thank
of this.
you. This was so fun.